You know, when I tell people I do bankruptcy, they assume that it's a depressing practice. It's the opposite. It is clearly one of the most rewarding parts of my practice because the burdens that you take off somebody instantly is just overwhelming. It's fantastic. The relief that they go through, the look in their eyes, actually being able to go home that night knowing that they're debt-free, it's priceless moments. The credit industry has done a fantastic job of learning to see what motivates people to pay their debts. And what they do is these relentless robocalls, relentless letter campaigns, guilt trips, things like that. People want to pay their bills. They just simply can't sometimes. And it's our goal in that situation to take care of those individuals that have reached that impasse and they just can't pay their bills. Let's give them a fresh start. That way they can get back to becoming productive taxpayers, they can go back to work, they can sleep at night. That's what our goal is.